Okay, today we're going to change the battery on my 2012 Ducati 848. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take off the side fairing. There are a bunch of Allen bolts that run along the edges, some in the middle, some down here. First things first, we're going to take them all off, except I like to leave the one up here in because it's enough room to let the bearing hang and get the battery out. So let's get started. Alright, so next up is just this one bolt, and this whole T bracket will come right out. Ooh, wrong size. Right out, just like that. First things first, to take off the negative, and then the positive. Batteries are the same terminals, the same size, they're the same height, same width. Okay, it was hard to record putting the terminals on and the cover back, but cover's back on, terminals are on, and my trickle charger port is hooked up like it was. Trickle charger port is hooked up like it was when